The world of sub-250-gram drones just hit a breaking point, and if you were thinking about buying the Mini 4 Pro today, you need to stop and listen to this immediately. We are standing on the edge of the biggest shift in compact drone history. For years, we've accepted the trade-offs. Small size meant smaller sensors, limited battery, and simplified obstacle avoidance. But the details emerging about the DJI Mini 6 Pro suggest that DJI is about to delete the word compromise from their dictionary. This is a drone that doesn't just iterate on the previous generation, it looks set to cannibalize the Mavic series entirely. We are breaking down every hardware specification and the revolutionary new flight systems that make the Mini 6 Pro the most anticipated tech release of 2026. If you want to know why professional cinematographers are suddenly looking at a mini drone as their primary tool, pay close attention. There is a specific leap in battery technology coming that is going to change how you plan your shoots forever. When DJI released the Mini 4 Pro, we thought we had reached the peak of what a 249-gram drone could do. We had omnidirectional sensing and high frame rates. But the Mini 6 Pro is jumping straight into the big leagues with a rumored 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. To put that in perspective, that is the same class of sensor found in the Air series and even high-end dedicated cameras like the Sony ZV series. The physics of light simply don't lie. With more surface area, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to deliver a massive leap in dynamic range and low-light performance. Reports indicate a new low-light optimization mode powered by an f1.7 variable aperture. Imagine flying at dusk or in a city at night and getting clean, noise-free 6K footage at 30 frames per second. Yes, 6K video in a drone that fits in your jacket pocket. This isn't just for higher resolution. It's for the ability to crop into your footage for 4K delivery without losing a single pixel of detail. For creators in the US and Europe, where sub-250-gram regulations allow you to fly in places larger drones can't, this is a total game changer. You are getting professional-grade cinema quality in a package that requires 0 FAA registration for recreational use in many regions. But a camera is only as good as the stability of the flight, and this is where the Mini 6 Pro is truly flexing its muscles. We are looking at the introduction of the O5 transmission system. While the current O4 system is impressive, O5 is designed to solve the one thing that plagues mini drones: signal interference in dense urban environments. The new system utilizes a tri-band frequency that can maintain a 1080p high frame rate live feed even when you're flying behind thick concrete walls or in high interference zones like downtown New York or London. We're talking about a theoretical range of 25 kilometers, though practically, this means your signal will be rock solid within your line of sight, no matter how many wireless signals are trying to knock you out of the sky. Now, let's talk about safety, because this is where the Pro in the name really earns its keep. The Mini 6 Pro is the first consumer drone to feature a miniaturized omnidirectional LiDAR system. Current drones use vision sensors, which are essentially cameras that see obstacles. Vision sensors struggle in low light or when facing thin objects like power lines or bare branches. LiDAR uses light pulses to create a three-dimensional map of the environment in real time, even in total darkness. This means the Mini 6 Pro can navigate a dense forest at night without a single scratch. This is the kind of tech we usually see on enterprise drones costing 5 times as much. For the average user, it means the return-to-home feature is now virtually fail-proof. If your battery runs low while you're behind a building, the drone won't just fly in a straight line. It will intelligently navigate the 3D space it mapped on the way out. Speaking of batteries, this is the part of the release that has everyone talking. DJI is introducing a high-energy density cell that pushes flight time to a staggering 60 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Even the standard battery, which keeps the drone under the 250-gram limit, is expected to hit 40 minutes. Think about that. A full hour of flight time from a drone this small. That effectively doubles your golden hour shooting window. No more landing every 20 minutes to swap batteries just when the light is getting perfect. You can get the drone in the air, set up your shots, wait for the perfect moment, and still have plenty of juice to fly back safely. The intelligence behind the flight is also getting a massive upgrade. DJI is leaning heavily into Edge AI. The Mini 6 Pro features Active Track 6.0, which doesn't just follow a subject, it predicts movement. If you're mountain biking through a trail and go behind a cluster of trees, the AI uses its 3D LiDAR map to anticipate where you'll emerge and keeps the camera locked on that spot. It's like having a professional camera operator flying the drone for you. And for social media creators, the auto edit feature is being integrated directly into the RC2 controller. The design itself is seeing a subtle but important refinement. We see a more aerodynamic shark fin arm design that improves wind resistance. One of the biggest complaints with mini drones is how they struggle in high winds. The Mini 6 Pro is rated to handle level 6 winds, making it as stable as the much heavier Mavic 3 in coastal conditions. This is essential for professional travel photographers who can't afford to lose a shooting day because of a light breeze. Why is DJI doing this? Because the competition is catching up, and with the Mini 6 Pro, they are aiming to shut the door on the competition for another 3 years. They are positioning this not as a beginner drone, but as a portable professional tool. It bridges the gap between the hobbyist who wants a cool toy and the freelancer who needs a reliable tool that can fly anywhere without a permit. As we look toward the official release, the big question is price. With a 1-inch sensor, LiDAR, and 60-minute battery, this won't be a budget drone. We expect the starting price for the base bundle to sit around $899, with the Fly More combo featuring the new RC Pro 2 controller reaching $1,249. If you value your time and the quality of your content, the answer is a resounding yes. You are essentially buying a Mavic 3 Pro that fits in your pocket and follows different rules. The DJI Mini 6 Pro represents a turning point where the size of the drone no longer dictates the quality of the image. It is the ultimate expression of DJI's engineering prowess. We are keeping a close eye on the shipping dates, which are rumored for the middle of 2026. If these specs hold true, the used market for older models is about to be flooded because everyone is going to want this upgrade. Thank you for tuning into Tap Tech. We pride ourselves on bringing you the most authentic, deep-dive technical breakdowns of the gear that actually matters. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to show your support so we can keep bringing you this level of detail. Make sure you are subscribed, because as soon as we get our hands on the first retail unit of the Mini 6 Pro, we'll be doing a full range test and cinematic breakdown that you won't want to miss. What feature are you most excited for? Is it the 1-inch sensor or that insane battery life? Let us know your thoughts. We read every single one of your insights. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next one.